All right, we're back with round 2.
Woohoo!
Thank you for letting me
Of
pester
course.
you one more time. So
Always.
where we were yesterday, or I don't know, whatever we talked, we looked at basically a 3D map of
Yes.
Odysseus's journey, and Miss Messner gave me this awesome image, this kind of a drawing. So what then I did was I took that into Corel and I made it into a vector. Now, it just a brief whatever. It was an okay image to try to bring into Corel, but there was a little bit of issues because we were trying to make it 3D.
Right.
So basically, anytime there's like this overlap, like if you see like here, that was troublesome.
Yep.
There was just a decent amount of little things that were troublesome. So I tried to make it as reasonable as possible, but I also really want feedback.
Sure.
Because I'm not sure if it's up to what you could potentially teach with
Sure.
or anything like that. So the image that we basically, I guess we should probably, I don't know, where we're going to assume we can kind of see it here. It looks like that. So as you can see, we kind of did a two layer item. So, and that should allow us to basically see it. But some of the issues in there could be a problem.
I would say, yeah, obviously maybe like
we'll obviously glue those.
The only thing that I'm really thinking I would like to still have on here are like all of the little lines, like the map lines, those orange lines. That would be really cool, just so like with the arrows to kind of show, this is where you started, because some of the numbers are, a little smaller. So that would be super helpful.
Okay.
If we could add those. And
definitely.
Then, I would be totally fine too, where you said some of those like overlaps.
Yeah.
If you could just put them on the first layer, that would be fine too. They don't need to.
And the size doesn't really matter or anything like that.
No.
So just you want all the. Do you want all the text, or is there anything that you don't necessarily care about?
There are some that I don't necessarily go into detail. Like we don't really talk about a couple of these places. So I can send you an email with like the list of the ones that we could leave off.
That would be awesome.
That might make it a little easier.
All right. And then we can definitely do the arrows. Okay. Do you prefer like a 3D arrow, or would you care if it's just like a line?
Whatever's easier. It would be cool if it was 3D, but if that's going to cause issues, then I don't really care.
I mean, it's either or. All right. All right, so awesome. I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
So basically where I'm leaving this is you are going to send me a list of the words that you're okay with. Like if you just want to take this image and like circle the things you want, that might make your life easier. And then, so I'll definitely keep those. And then anything I don't see, I'm just going to eliminate so that whatever.
That totally
works. Is the color scheme okay? Like, do you mind that blue?
No, I like that blue a lot.
All right, and are you okay with that?
Yep. It doesn't need to be green. I think it makes it more old worldy, kind of in the the two tones.
That's perfect. Yeah. And then if you notice, this is kind of like a rectangle, so it's not gonna. So we can make it 24 inches wide, but it'll probably only be about 18 inches tall.
That's totally fine.
All right, awesome. Sweet. Well, we'll get a final version, and it will be fantastic.
I'm excited.
Right?
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Awesome.